you go. Welcome to Victoria's Swan Hill. Welcome back, guys, to the channel. I'm King Dino.
I'm Adam, this is Twyla.
And we are outside Swan Hill's Information Centre, which we're going to be here for the next 2 nights. We're going to go start there and see what to see in Swan Hill. So we're not in Swan Hill anymore, Toto. Where are we, Adam?
Lake Boga.
Lake Boga, Lake Boga, whatever you want to call it. So anyway, we've got this fantastic caravan park. Now, it's about 12 minutes from Swan Hill, but didn't worry us, with a view like this. How cool is this? It's so nice. And we've gone and hired a fire pit. We left our fire pit at home, but we've hired one. Only $10, pretty cool. The only thing Adam was upset about is they've got a dog on leash sign right there. Not that we care about having the dog on leash. Twyla's always on lead, but it's right in our view. But anyway, that's okay. We'll just look over this side and we'll have a beautiful view.
And
yeah, they knew Twyla was coming. And then look how beautiful this is. And then Monica has got herself a cabin again, and it looks really good. So I'll show you that a bit later when I do a park, a walk around the park. Anyway, we'll get set up now. We just got here, literally just got here. Adam's got to return. They gave us this trolley so we could wheel a fire pit to here, so he's going to return that. And then we're going to get set up and get our chairs out and maybe light this fire. So we're definitely settled in for the night. It is so beautiful. Check out our fire. It looks amazing. And just seeing the sun go down, the pink skies, it is absolutely beautiful. There is a full moon tonight, which is even better. But look at this sunset, watching it go down. All I need now is a glass of wine.
fanning the flames.
The fire was dying down, so we've got Monica on the fan. She's blowing the air in there. So if you get like anything to make wind and get some oxygen in there.
Well, not anything.
Well, not anything. Well, we're just using a plate. You should turn the plate around, Monica, because it's prettier. See? Oh, yes. Now, we're not burning our plates, but yeah, we're just getting some oxygen there to get the fire going again. It just started to die down a bit. So, a bit of air, and now we've got flame again. Beautiful. Good job, Monica. Keep up the hard work. Before we head out for tea for Monica's birthday, I want to show you around the Lake Boga Caravan Park. Now, these guys are a part of the G'day Parks, so if you're a member, you can get all your, special deals and all the rest of it. But anyway, let's go around and check out the facilities. As you can see, this place has everything you need. It is absolutely beautiful. We're here and it is actually pretty cold, but we're still loving it with our fire. And can you imagine this in summer? It would be absolutely incredible. So anyway, check these guys out. Definitely come and stay. It is so good. We love it here. And now it's time to go celebrate Monica's birthday. All right, so to start off the celebrations, we've got a bottle of Tazinga to start the night off. So we're going to open this up now to celebrate Monica's, what is it, your 21st? 21st birthday? Yep. Do I make a good liar? Let's just hope this thing doesn't pop in my face. Although it could be a good thing. I could actually get to, you know, get an extra drink out of it. All right, here we go. All right, here we go, Monica. Happy birthday. All right, ooh. Ready? Woo! Happy birthday, Monica.
Thank you.
Okay. So we're about to head out for Monica's birthday. We're going to the local pub and supposedly we've got a spot outside where Twyla can sit with us in front of a fireplace. So we'll check that out in a minute. But check this out. How magical to celebrate Monica's birthday with this full moon. Look at this. Look at it. It looks amazing. On the water. So hey, if you're coming up here, I recommend coming in when there's a full moon because you get this. How awesome. That's it for another midweek episode, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Definitely stay tuned this Sunday at 5 p.m. for our main episode. It is going to be epic. And if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe and tell your friends about us. Otherwise, we will see you on Sunday. See you guys.